Hello, guys. All right, welcome to the new week. Uh, this is a week that we hope for a better trade opportunity. We'll start with guess why. Let's see what guess why is saying. That will give us a clear direction about what the currency will be saying. So we can see that 2 weeks now we have guess why bearish in these 2 weeks. We have week one closed bearish, we have last week closed bearish, and now we are having another week. So we hope we'll see a kind of strength on DSY. Hope we'll see a kind of strength on DSY this week. You can see that what we call this bearish of last week was due to the fundamental news, the CPI that came very hard on dollar and a really weakened dollar. Coupled that a lot of fundamental news that happened in the US and Donald Trump rally, assassination issue, the Joe Biden putting a call to Putin in the Russia and Ukraine issue. So a lot of fundamental cause weakening of the dollar. So now let's look at the technical aspect of it. So what we'll be seeing now, we'll be analyzing from the weekly time frame. You can see from weekly now, all we'll be dealing with the data from the current data, what's happening around there. So there's no need for us to go back to uh, backwards, looking at backwards is not needed. So we'll be focusing on what is happening currently. Now, if we want to make use of the data here, you can see that from the weekly perspective, all we have here uh we have this break of structure here, price break to the upward, then we have price came back. Now we have price going going up. But if we look at the major break of structure that we have there, we have a break of structure right in this place. So we have a break of structure there, and with what we can see now from this swing high to this swing low, that we are still much on a discount level. So before the end of the year, we're looking at uh dollar bear bullish to the premium whereby you can have a sell from that premium. And if you look at the premium, we have this buy side in inefficiency that is there. So we still hope that as course of the year, we could have dollar, a bullish run on dollar to fill up this gap and going to premium, right? So now we have this from the weekly side, and now we have break of structure, but markets is getting from we are seeing a discount level. So now the next thing that we'll be looking at now. So here we have another break of structure here. We have this is the other block that caused this uh, inner break of structure, and we have price coming. So if you look at this low, we have a liquidity here, and with this other block, now if you put your favor for that block, so we expect price to come to 50% of that other block. So the 50% of this other block, which is threshold, is this place. So all we should be expecting this week going forward is still a condition of bearish on dollar. Price come to sweep the liquidity here, then price stable here. Then uh, another before we see the continuation of the bullish that we needed on dollar. So let's draw to the daily time frame. So on daily time frame, so we have a couple of liquidities residing here, right? So and we have this is the 50% of the weekly order block that we highlighted. So now I can see that we have this order block here. So what our projection for this week is for dollar sweeping this liquidity, they're coming to this bullish order block, then that will give us the kind of bullish we are expecting for this week. So with this now, it means that we will be also having a bearish week on the DSY. So dropping to 4 hours. So 4 hours see the same scenario with the daily time frame. So on 4 hours now, so we'll be seeing now. Let's look at structure on 4 hours. So on 4 hours, first and foremost, we have break of structure here. We have this break of structure here on 4 hours, right? We have this imbalance. Then we have this supply area open for 4 hours. So we could have price sweep this liquidity, then coming back here, then we have a something of this nature on 4 hours. So we are still much bearish on dollar until we get to this daily order block. So this is the projection for DSY for this week. So it means that this week we'll be looking at a bearish week on DSY pullback, the continuous selling, then we'll have something of these natures on DSY for this week. So now that we already have the concept that we could still see a bearish DSY. So let's now go to the currency. The first one is Euro USD. So we can see that we're having a very bullish on Euro USD. We have this supply area as a drawn liquidity. So we have a lot of liquidity for Euro to sweat. We have that buy side drawn liquidity, then before price coming to this supply zone. So going forward this week, all we'll be looking at is buy opportunity on Euro. So any pullback to this base, then will give us, we look for a buy opportunity on Euro USD. So we have this price giving us a break of structure here. So we have this order block that called the break of structure. Then look for buy. Then and if price fail this zone, if price fail from this zone, another zone that buy will occur is this place. So on Euro USD this week, all I'll be looking out for is a buy opportunity as price giving us a pullback to continue buy on Euro USD. So this is my projection for Euro USD for this week. I will do nothing but than to buy Euro USD to capitalize on the weakness of dollar. So we could buy from, if you see a momentum, a buy evidence from this zone, then we could have a buy. If price fail from this zone, then we'll look for a buy from this 4 hours order block. So that is Euro USD. The another one is GBP USD. GBP USD is still the same thing. We're looking for a buy opportunity on GBP USD as we have our drawn liquidity above this high. So clearly now we have price giving us 4 hours break of structure. So price give us break of structure. So if we have price pull back to this order block, then it will be opportunity for us to do what? To buy the GBP USD. So GBP USD, I'm looking for a buy on a pullback on 1.2836 from this 4 hours order block. Then let's look at gold. So gold, we are seriously bullish on gold. You can see the price is coming to this supply zone. So we see our price pushing to that supply zone. We have clear break of structure from that place. Then, so we have some liquidity that is residing here. So, and we have liquidity here. So this week we could see a dipping gold before we continue the bullish evidence. So first and foremost is price. As price is coming, look for a very deep retracement on gold. Then I would love to buy gold from this demand zone, coupled with this liquidity here, and liquidity. So we have some liquidity that gold need to be dealt with before we have this bullish run on gold. So this is my projection for gold for this week as we go into the week. Then silver. I love silver. Buying silver from this zone. So you can see silver clearly now. We have a break of structure from there. So we have that break of structure from silver. We have this imbalance. So looking at silver coming down, then before we look for the bullish evidence on silver, before we look for the bullish evidence on silver, as silver come to this 4 hours fair value gap, then we can look for a buy. Then this place is drawn liquidity. We have this drawn liquidity above here, buy side liquidity, drawn liquidity. So we have it here. So any buy from this zone will give us a run to that buy side draw on liquidity on gold. So on silver, sorry. So this is what I'm looking out to do on silver. We love silver to sweep all this weak liquidity that is starting here, old lows. Then sweep coming to this fair value gap with a bullish evidence on 4 hours. Then we can look for opportunity to buy and then hold price back to this buy side draw of liquidity. Then quick one, I love this Cadjpy. So Cadjpy from daily perspective, we have this break of structure here on daily. So we have this break of structure there. Then from swing low to this high, so we have a discount, and below our discount we have this liquidity. We have this liquidity here. So I can see a liquidity equal low that form liquidity here. So equal low that form liquidity there. So we have this. So I'm seeing Cadjpy. I'm seeing Cadjpy trade to this place. Then before we look for a bullish evidence and buy Cadjpy. So it will be good from daily perspective for Cadjpy to come to this daily order block, then look for a bullish, then we drop to 4 hours. Now 4 hours, let's look at structure. So we have the break of structures of 4 hours here as a break of structure, and so this is breakout block here. So with now that we have that price, this is where we want to buy from our daily order block. So we can have a counter trade that will give us a sell. So meaning price coming to this place, it can give us the sell that we need before we get to the buying that we are anticipated for. So 4 hours on Cadjpy, we have this imbalance, we have break of chief to market structure, and from swing high, from this swing high to this swing low, to price return back to our premium that will give with a fair evidence, then we can set price. So we can sell Cadjpy there. We can sell Cadjpy from that high. So you can see here we have this breaker block. That's so Cadjpy. I'm looking for a sell from the breaker block and looking for a buy from this daily order block. Another one is the Usdjpy. From daily perspective on Usdjpy, from this swing high to swing low, we have this demand area, we have our break of structure. So looking for to buy at this uh daily demand, to buy, continue on the buy on Usdjpy because the market has been a bullish run for a while now. This price has done over from this low to this high, price has done over 2,000 pips. So there's a need for a pullback on this trade. So and we have daily break of structure, we have this demand area. So price coming to this demand will be an opportunity to buy. But when you drop to 4 hours, when you drop to 4 hours, you can see that clearly we have shift in market structures on 4 hours. So that can give us a bearish that will take us to this daily order block, right? So all I will be looking at is a sell opportunity on a pullback. When price give us a pullback, then we look for a sell that will take us to this buying that we are from the daily demand area. So this is USDJPY. So guys, if you love a content like this, kindly subscribe to this channel and do like it. More updates for this week will be dropping. I make intent to be dropping daily market analysis, so that when I drop, you will not miss out. Please kindly subscribe. I want to grow this channel to 1,000 followers. Your subscription is very important to us. So thank you for the video. More video will be coming uh, as market unfolds at the course of the week. See you. Have a lovely trading week, and make sure you trade safe and put risk management in place, because you don't have control over the market. All you have control is your risk.